Hello guys. So as you can see in the figure, we are trying to solve a CNC programming question. Today's main aim is to solve a problem that involves use of polar coordinates to write the code for the CNC machine. So in this question, as you can see, there are three main parts. We have to cut the inner body, we have to make cuts on two outer sides, and we have to drill holes in a polar pattern. So the code will be divided into three parts. So let us start with the setup part. G17, G21, G90, G28, G94 and F100. G17 stands for the command that gives the XY plane. G21 helps to choose the coordinates in mm. G90 is an absolute coordinate system command. G28 places the pointer in the position x0, y0, z0, whereas G94 is used to give the feed in mm per minute. F100 is used to give the feed. Then G92 is used for incremental command, and we have incremented to x50, y50 and z15. You can see that our workpiece is 15 mm in length, 15 mm in depth. Then we have given the command of M06T4 that involves automatic change of tool to tool number 4, and then with M03 we have switched on the spindle, and with M08 we have switched on the coolant. So coming to the inner body first, we have to remove the square from the center. So with G00 we rapidly traverse our tool to X15, Y0 and Z5. You should note that here we have taken the top of the workpiece as Z equal to 0, and all the calculations will be according to that. So as we reach X15, Y0 with rapid transfers, we start the linear interpolation and get to Z equal to -8 to start our machining. Then as the coordinates are written in the order, the tool is moved around the path so that we can cut out the inner part. The next step is to cut the two side parts that we want to cut. So we rapidly transfers from to X50, Y45, and again the tool is 5 mm above the workpiece. We linearly interpolate to 5 mm into the workpiece which we want as seen in the figure. After that we do the linear interpolation to x equal to -50, and again repeat the same process till both of the sides have been cut. Now coming to the main operation of this video, the drilling operation. For the drilling operation, we have initially stopped the spindle and the coolant and rapidly retracted the tool to x0, y0, z0 through G28. Now what we have done is, first of all, we have placed our tool to x0, y0, z equal to 5. G95 is basically used for feed rate to be given in mm per revolution, as it would be mentioned in the question. G16 is the command that is used for polar coordinates to be activated. Now as we had to perform peg drilling operation, I have chosen the command to be G73. You can also choose it as G83, as it would perform the same function but in a different manner. Now as we can see, the first point is given as x30, y0 and z -15, as we want all the holes to be through, and then we have assigned q and p values. After that we have given the y coordinates for each and every hole to be drilled, and they are in the form of polar coordinates after every 30 degree. at the end of all the coordinates we stop the cant cycle using G80, and here we end the block using our end command, and yeah, and write the ending block to be M05, M09 and M30.